we're gonna sing something, but I wrote in Spanish. So, you wanna say it? It's in English, but the words are in Spanish.
My friend.
This is my friend Elder Todd and my best friend Rick, el mejor guitarrista en todo México.
No, es hora.
Hello, I'm Elder Call, and this is my companion Elder Todd, and this is my best friend. This is our best friend, our friend Rick.
Rick.
Okay. We're gonna play a little song that we just wrote over here in the Waterfalls here in Mexico. It's our best friend Rick, and it's gonna be super cool. Ready?
My friend. Yep, we're out here to wrote a song, and it's gonna be awesome. Feel the spirit. It's gonna be super cool. Yeah.
Let's go, Rick. Let's go.
Come on.
He's ready.
I'm ready to go.